Hello there, I'm right here from Aminet Media. Today we are going to be looking at the Smart Fill tool and the Color Eyedropper tool. Stay with me. Alright, the Smart Fill tool and the Color Eyedropper tool are one of the tools that I find handy while designing in Coreldraw. Okay, they both work with colors. They help you do crazy things with your colors and your object. Alright, so we're going to be looking at the Smart Fill tool first before we jump into the other. Alright, so how does the Smart Fill tool work? Let's choose it first. This is the icon for the Smart Fill tool. If I choose it right here, okay, the Smart Fill tool helps you fill objects automatically with a default color that you can change anytime you want. Okay, it respects the boundaries. Let's say you have this complicated object laying on top of each other like I just did right here. Okay, so once I click any object here, the Smart Fill tool fills it with a particular color that is chosen at default, which you can change. So where can you change this color? Alright, let's click first and see how it works. Now it respects the boundary. When I click here, you see it's respecting this intersection between this circle here and this rectangle here. Okay, if I click here, it will respect this intersection between this ellipse and the circle. See how it works? So you can actually choose a region where you want a color and leave the other region maybe to give it a different color altogether. That's one of the ways the Smart Fill tool works. Now, how can you change this color? I don't like the color that has been chosen, so how can I change it? This is how you change it. If you come here, you can choose any other color you want. Let's say I want it to be filling up with blue or with yellow or green, like I chosen. So if I click here, instead of filling it with this color, original default color, it changes to green. Okay, so you see I've changed it. Now you can see it has an outline, and the outline has a color of its own. So how do you change the outline color? If you want it to change the outline color as it feels, you can change it here. This is where you change the outline color. Somewhere here, right? Let's choose this paint color. All right, paint. So if I click to fill this place with the green, instead of using the sky blue outline, now it changes to pink. All right, let's try that. You see that? So it changes this outline to a pink outline. All right, so you can all equally use say no outline at all. Right, so if I say no outline, I change. If I click here, it won't give an outline. All right, so first of all, let me remove this outline. Right click to remove it. Okay, there's no outline here, so let me choose back my color by tapping space bar. All right, if I fill this place right now, the outline has gone. There's no outline here anymore, so it won't give an outline. So it just has the green without the pink outline. Okay, so I can take it back to the specify. So the same with this. All right, if I say no fill and I click it, it will only give an outline and it won't give a fill. So that's how it works. You can try it out and see for yourself. Okay, something else that we achieved here is you can use this fill color to create new objects. All right, we're going to be talking about some other shaping of objects. All right, there are some other techniques I can use to shape objects from different kinds of objects. All right, like I stack these objects on each other, you can actually shape them into one object or use them to bring out a different unique object of its own. All right, so as this fields are done here, right, you can click and drag out the field and you have a different shape altogether. Right, you see, so is another unique tool that you can use to create unique shapes, different unique shapes for yourself, depending on what you're working on and what you want to achieve. Okay, so you still have your original object here stacked up here for you. All right, so I'm going to go back. All right, those are the little way you can use to manipulate and change and use your Smart Fill tool. All right, I know it's wonderful. So we're going to move into the Color Eyedropper tool, which is one of the most wonderful tool I love using. It helps me a lot to choose unique colors, right? So what it does is it helps you choose colors that you love. This picture I dropped here is an already made picture, okay, background that I love the color here, and let's say I want to choose this blue right here. Okay, let me actually do this. Right click and choose this blue, right, royal blue right here. I don't actually like how it's looking. Okay, so let's say then I come across this blue and I want to use it. It's very simple to do. You just go to the color eyedropper tool, which is this. You click on it. Okay, now it brings out a selection icon which you can use to select. Once you hover over a color, it changes the box in that place, and the CMYK changes to that particular color you're hovering over. You see, I've hovered over this black on this background, it changes to that particular black. If I hover over the blue, changes to that blue. So if I'm satisfied with the blue I'm seeing, I can change it. I can click on it and it copies that same color exactly as it is. Okay, then I can drop it here to get that same unique blue. All right, you see that blue is more lovely, looking like a mixture of white and blue or something else. Okay, so I love this one. Rather than using the default one, I can use this one and make my designs anyhow. So I can drop it anywhere I want. Okay, that's how it is. So I can choose, go back to pick two and choose again. I can choose the black, this black, and I drop it here. Drop. All right. So that is the simple way. It's not so complicated to use. Okay. There's another fill tool that you can use to fill your objects with cool colors that you want. You can get any picture and copy the type of color that you see there that you love and you want to use for your project. You can copy them and paste them. All right, and drop them on your object, and it works for you. So that is how easy it is to use the Smart Fill tool and the Color Eyedropper tool. If you like the video, just give us a thumbs up. All right, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to help our channel grow. And don't forget to hit the bell button so that you get notification of new videos that we drop in for you from time to time. See you in the next video.